friends. Welcome to OAVA's weekly update on markets and economy. We begin with news on the global front about the world's third largest economy. Japan has been fighting deflation for nearly 25 years, but now it may be at an inflection point. As prices, wages, and economic growth show signs of increasing, the Japanese Cabinet Office said the economy may be nearing an end to prolonged stagnation in its latest economic white paper. It said the government must closely coordinate with the Bank of Japan and carefully check the macroeconomic environment to navigate the economy as the chance to end deflation is approaching. The Bank of Japan has a target of 2% for inflation, and in recent times, inflation has remained well above this target. Moving on to news on another set of important economies which go by the acronym BRICS, of which India is an important part, apart from Brazil, Russia, China, and South Africa. In the recently held 15th BRICS summit at South Africa, it was decided that 6 more countries would be invited to join the group with effect from 1st January 2024. They are Argentina, Ethiopia, Iran, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, and the United Arab Emirates. It is expected that this increased membership can increase BRICS' envisaged role as a geopolitical alternative to global institutions dominated by the West. The BRICS 5 represents about 42% of the world's population and more than 23% of world GDP. The enlarged grouping will account for 46.5% of world population and account for about 30% of global GDP. Moving on to news on domestic front, Reliance Industries, the listed Indian company with highest market capitalization, announced some significant changes to its top leadership. During the week, the board of Reliance Industries approved the appointment of third generation heirs Isha, Akash, and Anand as non executive directors to the company. Mukesh Ambani, chairman of Reliance Industries, further added that he would continue to head the group for 5 more years and then step down. Moving on to news in the startup space, Zepto has become the first Indian unicorn of 2023 by raising $200 million dollars in its latest round of fundraising at a valuation of $1.4 billion. Zepto competes with Zomato-owned Blinkit, Swiggy Instamart, Reliance-funded Denso, and Tata's Big Basket. Zepto is the third largest in terms of order volumes in the online grocery delivery space. Zepto, which was founded in 2020, aims to turn EBITDA positive in 12 months and is eyeing an initial public offering, that is an IPO, during the first half of 2025. And finally, some revival in India's IPO market. The month of August saw 6 companies, the highest monthly number this year, collectively raised Rs 4,269 crore through IPOs. These include SBFC Finance, Concord Biotech, TVS Supply Chain Solutions, Balaji Specialty Chemicals, Pyramid Technoplast, and Aeroflex Industries. With liquidity continuing to flow into the equity market and comfort on valuation front, it is expected IPOs may continue to see increased activity. That's it for this week from us. Do click like, share our video if you like the content, and do visit our website www.oava.in for information on our courses. See you next week.